lenge changma touch dele ane drinking in thungdi thanda de kharre sara la Pune University ki rwa ane de kare Pali ta nangche Buddhist department ki thanda gegen da loop thut mangbusle de rwa ane khonje gingen thung thindi ko samsa ane lenge changma to nang ro nang
but that canon is not complete. We don't have all the three parts of it. Similarly, we also have found a text in Gandhar.
This wonderful group.
कुछ टूटता है पर रखने के लिए अपनी जमीन नहीं, उड़ने के लिए अपना आकाश नहीं, आवाज देने के लिए कोई अपना नहीं, बाहर का होना छूटता नहीं, अपना कोई मिलता नहीं।
हम महका करेंगे बनके कली बनके सबा बागे वफा में रहे न रहे हम महका करेंगे बनके कली बनके सबा
जाने वालों जरा मुड़ के देखो मुझे, एक इंसान हूँ मैं तुम्हारी तरह। जाने वालों जरा जिंदगी के सफर में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकान, वो फिर नहीं आते, वो फिर नहीं आते।
किनारा ये चंचल हवा
and especially all this wonderful Tibetan Hindi remix. So that shows that we are together, right? So that's a statement of us being together, and I think that's very important. So thank you very much. For common people in India, I think do not know much about Tibet, about Tibet's history, about Tibet's culture and its struggle. So I think what Dorje Satanla has done through this is to start sensitizing people, because it is ultimately people's voice which will matter, and I think that's.
Oya, Kalipego. Bye bye.